Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase using a wire transfer. This method is ideal for depositing larger sums of money, often up to $250,000 daily for fully verified accounts. First, ensure your Coinbase account is fully verified, including identity and address, to unlock higher limits. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and efficient transaction process. We will cover each step in detail, from setting up the transfer to confirming your Bitcoin purchase. To begin, log into your Coinbase account and go to the Assets section, then select your USD wallet. Choose Add Cash and then the Wire Deposit tab. Here, Coinbase will provide you with all the necessary banking details, including the recipient's name, account number, and routing number. Crucially, you will also receive a unique reference code. This code is vital for ensuring your funds are correctly attributed to your account, so make sure to write it down accurately. With Coinbase's wire details in hand, proceed to your bank. You can either visit a branch in person or use your bank's online wire transfer service. Provide your bank with all the information you received from Coinbase, including the unique reference code. Double-check the transfer amount and inquire about any fees your bank might charge for outgoing wire transfers, which can be around $10 to $25. Initiating the transfer earlier in the business day can sometimes expedite the process. After initiating the wire, expect your funds to appear in your Coinbase USD balance within 1 to 3 business days. Coinbase typically charges a $10 fee for incoming wire deposits. Once your funds are available, navigate to the Buy/Sell section on Coinbase. Select Bitcoin from the list of assets, enter the amount you wish to purchase using your newly deposited USD, and finalize the transaction. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased Bitcoin via wire transfer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.